Hey, what's up guys? Jackson here with Toasted DIY, and today I'm taking you guys on basically an updated tour of PC Bros LLC. This is Matt and I's other business, and it's been going really well. We've had so much fun doing this. We actually got to do our first in-house event, like an open house pretty much. Thank you for anybody who came. I think we had about like 50 to 100 people. We had free food. Gave away a computer and a keyboard and a mouse and a bunch of other stuff. Here's actually our prize board, and it went further. See, we had plus more to indicate that, but here's some of the scores that we got. It was actually pretty awesome. We had Zach, who got 74,190, and how it worked was one person played Galaga, one person played Asteroids. They both had a 5-minute limit, and you know, once you die, even if you die before the 5 minutes. But after the 5 minutes was up, they both switched. We took the both scores from the machines and then added them up, and yeah, we had, like we said, this guy Zach had a pretty decent lead. Everyone else you could see was very close to each other. We actually had McAllister's dad. He actually got 5th place and got a wooden wrist rest, which worked out perfect for him because, you know, he actually needed one. But yeah, so this, like I said, is just kind of like an updated tour of the place. We just had this event, so you know, we got it fairly cleaned up from the event, but we have some really awesome machines here that I believe are all like I think they're all Capcom like 1-up machines, I think is what they're called. But basically there's kind of like emulators, you know, they have like a Raspberry Pi or something along those lines built into the cabinet, and they work extremely well, but they all have multiple games built into them. I'll kind of do like a walk by, and I actually bought the custom riser for that one, but they're really expensive, so for all of these I just built a wooden shelf, which ended up saving a lot of money really. We got some cool posters, always good to have posters. But we also just recently got this. I found this on Craigslist. It's a Monopoly machine from, I think it's 2000. And this is a Monopoly pinball. It's actually pretty cool. See, but it's actually on. A couple of moving parts in there, mainly just this on like a motor. And then, yeah, it's actually pretty cool, like I already lost. And it is, the only thing I don't love about it, but that's kind of what to expect with a cheap tabletop version, is the paddles aren't like, you know, your typical button that are electronically activated. This is just like manual, like, so you can push it really slow if you want, which I don't know, maybe some people like. I guess it's kind of cool that you can control it, but yeah, not really for me. But yeah, it's pretty cool though. It's definitely a lot of fun to play with and everything. We also have a tabletop foosball, and I think if you flip it over, it has air hockey. That's what the air hockey is there for. We have some pretty cool gaming chairs we picked up that are sort of kind of for sale, kind of not. We actually had someone buy one, that's why I say they sort of are. I wasn't planning on selling them, but you know, he paid a little bit more than we bought them for, so I was like, sure, why not? Some Viper Search, which we were supposed to be giving away, but I don't know how we never ended up giving one away. Gave everything else away though. Pixio monitor, you can see we have like a laptop that's I think a Nitro 5 that we're working on selling. We have all kinds of like monitors and keyboards and mice. Like, we have all that stuff for days. So if you're local and you're looking for any of that, make sure you swing by. You also would have a chance to check out our Mineral PC, which I don't want to give too much away on, but I will say it's very badass, and it's fully working, and it works just like a normal PC very well. It actually runs very cool. We're actually going to test it in games soon. But there's some special things about this that you'll just have to see once the video goes live in a week or two. We also have this now, which is definitely a very nice addition. Looks a lot more professional. Basically just like a little sales wall of you know, fun knickknacks like Ethernet cables and HDMI's, Wi-Fi adapters. I think we have some custom-made Ethernet cables as well. We can actually make Ethernet cables like any length you need if you're looking for like a custom size. I have like our cash register and all that back there, point of sale. We have some pretty cool products though. We have a couple of computers up here. Obviously we have way more computers than this, but these are just like ones that we have up front at the moment, you know, just because they haven't sold or something along those lines. I know a few people actually bought some PCs and monitors during the event, so we don't have quite as much as we did when we started. The cardboard setup resides here. Don't know why. This is just where it ended up, is right in here. We also have this just kind of older keyboard section where we're pretty much giving them away. So there might be some crazy prices in there, but trust me, we're not charging $40. That just kind of got put there. We also have like some speakers, some OG builds that we did back in the day. Like, we got the ammo crate, we got the jack-o'-lantern PC. Have some flyers over here apparently. We got the Booga setup. That was when we did our Five Below, you know, like full setup basically. But yeah, we got, you know, a lot of cool stuff in. We're always adding more. You never know what we're gonna have too, depending on just, you know, when you check the website or when you come in person and look at this stuff. Obviously, a lot of this stuff is not on the website because if we sold on the website, we just would literally like break even or even lose money. Because a lot of this stuff, you know, we bought for MSRP for like a video or something like that, and then we just need to essentially get rid of it. So we're just selling it for, you know, about 20 to 30% less than it's worth new. Like you could still go buy the stuff on Amazon, but you know, we're pretty much just trying to get what we can for it, and basically make some money back on it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. You know, make sure you guys haven't already to check out PCBros, PCBros.tech for, you know, custom gaming builds. We can build anything to suit your needs. We can also, you know, just check our pre-builds that we already have listed on the site. I just listed some pretty cool new options. We're always coming out with new stuff, especially as this PC market gets better. We're definitely having some really cool new stuff come out. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. You know, subscribe to the newsletter and whatnot, and check out PC Bros like on Instagram. That's a really cool way to see updates as well. So thank you guys for watching this video and sticking with us, and we'll see you guys in the next one.